What's up guys, it's What's Short, and today we actually got the R5, which was a surprise because today I went out with my girlfriend to get a Tesla test drive, and that was interesting. She's laughing to the side because she hates that I do YouTube videos. That's what she's like. But let's open this, because after my back orders for about, what was it, 2 weeks? We get to finally see this camera in action. It's a long manual, battery charger, the new LP battery, so this is gonna be great to use. I was really hoping that there was a USB to Type-C, but there isn't, so it sucks. Thanks Canon for only making this for Mac users. So this is the one with the kit lens, and this is the lens bag that comes with it. So it's a nice leathery bag. This is the lens hood that comes with most lenses, or you gotta buy them separately, but this one comes with it. We got the camera strap, it says EOS R5. My girlfriend's like super excited to see this camera. So let's get this. This is a really kind of hefty lens. Here, feel this.
It's big.
No, take it, hold it. Right? It feels hefty.
It's big.
It's like a good hefty lens. Let's take it out. So this is the 24 to 105. So this is what it looks like. So we'll play with this later, test it out. But we can put this in the lens bag, and then we'll just close it up. It's nice. So this is what we've all been waiting to open. Alright, that's on the floor, but it's fine. So this is the EOS R5. This feels sort of similar to, I think, the 90Ds, what I relate to, maybe a little bit bigger, but this feels so much better than an M50. This is like nice, big, actually fits on my hand properly with the grip. So one thing, gotta see, yes, that's closed. So no dust is gonna get in there. This is the screen. So I'm not gonna go over too much of this camera today because I want to do like a better review of it, but hopefully we get to really go into this camera later on, so I can't wait for that. Thanks for checking out the video. Give it a like, and if you guys seen the Tesla test drive video, unless I couple it with this, I don't know, we'll see, but can't wait to do that. I'll see you guys next time.